Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get the Chevrolet Corvette in Fortnite. Land near highway garages and car lots, then scan NPCs and estates for high-tier spawns. Loot repair tools and keys, and approach with a teammate to secure the driver's seat quickly. Use revives to keep the driver alive and repair damage at safe stops. Repeat runs to learn spawn timing and improve success. First, find likely Corvette spawn zones, highways, garages, and upscale estates. Check map icons for vehicle markers and time your drops to off-peak spawns. Loot a healing kit and repair tools before engaging, and coordinate with teammates to secure the car quickly. If keys are needed, eliminate NPC drivers or search nearby houses. Use cinematic camera to spot distant cars, then glide down for a swift approach and steal the Corvette. Quick recommendation: if this guide helps, please subscribe and like to support more tips. On another note, the Oala water bottle keeps you hydrated during long Fortnite sessions with leak-proof design and easy one-handed sipping. It fits cup holders so you can stash it while driving the Corvette and saves time between matches. Check the description for the link and extra deals. Grab one if you want. Now let's get back to the video. Once inside the Corvette, keep speed steady to avoid engine stalls and watch the minimap for ambushes. Repair damage at stop points and swap driver only if safe, since ejecting risks losing the vehicle. Use smokes or flares to block pursuers and take side roads to avoid choke points. Park in hidden spots to hide the car until extraction, and use emotes sparingly so you stay aware of enemy movements.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.